Welcome or welcome back to another day of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and let's get creative together for day 15 and the prompt of shape. This was a day I had a lot of fun with as I was figuring out what kind of shape I wanted my page for the day to be centered around. But first, as always, let's find the right page for the day. And I decided to use this page right before Journey and decided to start off with cutting this decorative paper in a kind of shape, and with that I decided that the shape I was centering my page around for the day was going to be a star. So I decided to cut out the page here. I was struggling a bit with the part that I had bound into the journal, so I had to be a bit careful there that I don't mess up the stitches of my journal. And yeah, then I did just cut around the edges to make the page star-shaped in a way. And then I decided to just see what I could add to the spread that would be centered around stars as well. And I really love how this spread turned out. I think it's super cute what I came up with in the end. And yeah, like always, I'm just going with the flow, seeing what can be added next. And I decided to also add the stars from the Junk Journal July Printable, these little star buttons. I think they are just so cute and they fit right on the translucent envelope. And then I decided I really needed to add something for inside the envelope as well. So this won't be the big part I'm working on next, which is kind of an journal card inlay. First I decided maybe I'd do something on the back side of this star, but then I didn't really know what, so I decided to just first go on with the label for the day. It's always my go-to when I don't know what to do next. Then I just first do the little label for the day, and it really helps to just keep me going. And most of the time then I will come up with something while I try to get the label on the page. So now I decided to get out one of the old kind of flashcards I'm using for my journal cards all the time and add a bunch of little star doodles to the card before then drawing a little star shaped kind of portrait onto the spread. Just one of my typical same face syndrome kind of faces. It's not very realistic, but it's just the way I drew a loose face. It doesn't have the idea to make it perfect or in any way, shape or form realistic. It's just about a loose concept kind of sketch I wanted to do with the star shape, so I did just do a quick little doodle face here for this portrait. And I think it is quite interesting what it came out of this doodle session, so sometimes I just like to not make each drawing too perfect and too realistic and just sometimes just go with the flow. And I decided to just keep the part that is in the star shape for today and erase the parts above the star in a way. And I think it kind of turned out, I don't know, cool, a bit artsy. I don't know. It was just something where I decided to just keep it messy and a quick little doodle. I'm super happy about how today's spread turned out. I think it's quite minimalistic, but really cute, and I'm so thankful for all your patience with my messy uploads schedule this Junk Journal July. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for keeping me company while creating. I hope you enjoyed this creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. See you very soon for the next Junk Journal July creative adventure. Until then, happy creating!